The number one reason that seems to stop people from turning their ideas into videos is the claim that they don't have the equipment to do so. People seem to be under the belief that they need a $3,000 computer and a $2,000 camera before they can even think about making videos. And to the people that believe that, you need to realize this is not true. If you have a good idea, you should make something out of it, not just wonder what it could be if you had all the gear you wanted. I encourage all of you, if you have any video ideas, to just put yourself out there and create with the equipment you have readily available, which may be just your phone, and just your phone. That's right. Phone cameras have developed so much in the last few years, as well as their power and ability to edit videos. And whilst a video made entirely on your phone won't be as good as one made on a $3,000 computer and a $2,000 camera, it is better than not making anything at all. So to show you just the power of a smartphone, I went out and recorded some footage on my Note 9 and edited it using my phone using the app KindMaster. And here is the end result. I hope you guys enjoy and are inspired to create with the equipment you have available. And just remember, all of this was done with a smartphone. No gimbal, no tripod, nothing else, just my phone.